I bought these, I'll show you. I bought these cutting boards at Hobby Lobby, but it had granite, like about this much granite on it, but some of them crumbled and cracked and fell off. And I was like, yikes, I'm gonna make something with these. And I have two of these, and I had a round one. And you can see that at the bottom there's some of the granite still attached to the round one. I am going to make, I don't know if I'm gonna do the same thing with the square ones here, but I am definitely with this round one gonna make a snow lady. We're gonna make a snow lady. I started to paint it with some white Casement Fusion Mineral Paint, because white, you know, snowman, right? You got this pretty well covered, all right? I want to show you what I have planned here. I have got a Totally Dazzled bag. I decided I would just dazzle up the word dazzled because it needed it, don't you think? Is I want to cut off the bottom because I want to use this as a hat for this snow lady. Okay, so now we're going to take the little Totally Dazzled bag. We're going to slip it right over the round part, like this. I wonder if I should, hold on, let's see what this is gonna look like. I have to make this top part. I think it's gonna be too big. Let me do this. Let me take the top part, I'm gonna cinch it really good, and I'm gonna put a knot in it with so you can get fur like this on a roll at Hobby Lobby. So what I did was I cut out a circle. Here I drew out a circle, and I'm going to kind of show you how you're to cut this fur. Okay, fur should be cut from the back side. You don't want that blunt edge. So what I'm going to do is I had already done this with the pink. We're gonna have a pink pom-pom for this one, but I just wanted to show you how that's cut. And then you just continue to go around the circle. I have a little circle. What happens when you just cut it like that is you can go back in and just fluff it back out, and you don't see that blunt edge. And that's why I wanted to show you that, because here we've got one already cut out and ready to go. All right, like that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a piece of dental floss. What you do is you thread a needle with your dental floss, and you're gonna use it, you can use it double if you want, but I use mine single because here's the deal. Dental floss is very, very strong. Strong indeed. So what I'm gonna show you is you just do a running stitch. You know what that is, right? You put the needle up through where the knot's gonna be, well, you actually start from the inside where your knot's gonna be on the inside. And then right at the edge here, right at the very edge, you're gonna put your needle in and out, in and out. Because you're gonna take that knot on this end and you're gonna pull it, and you're gonna pull this side like this, and look what you end up with. You end up with a cute little pom-pom, just a little bit of fur or fiber fill, and we're gonna pull it apart like this so it doesn't appear lumpy and bumpy, and we're just gonna stuff it in there like this. You want to get your knot ready to go, and you want to pull it really good, and you don't even have to close it all up at the bottom, so you can leave that little bit sticking out there if you want. It doesn't have to be completely closed like that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna glue it at the top here, just like this, okay? So, hang tight. Okay, I'm gonna tuck it up under and I'm gonna glue it onto the board. Like that. I have a piece of this fur already cut. And what I'm going to do, I think what I'm gonna do, you know what, I kind of messed up. I was gonna put the fur on the hat, but I couldn't have done that. Couldn't have done that because it would have laid flat. See, I wasn't thinking. Susie wasn't thinking. I'm gonna turn it around this side, and I am gonna make a line in the middle so that I kind of have a guideline. Looking cute. So this side is the blingy side here with all the bling going on here. I could take the time to fire up the iron and just and I've got my what you call on it, but I just think this would be cute. Just, you know, just hot glued on. I don't think we need to. I know it's an applique that we can iron on, but I'm thinking the hot glue would be just fine. Isn't she cute? I normally would just put some hot glue on there, but I don't want it falling off. It's just so pretty. This piece, honestly, this is in the new winter pack. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. That is so pretty. I'm gonna go around the edges and put some B7000 glue right around the edges. And right in the center, I'll add a little hot glue for that quick, fast hold. But I want it to hold permanently, so I'm going to put this B7000 glue around the edges. Just like that. A little hot glue. Middle. Bam. Yes. Isn't that sweet? Seriously? It's just gonna be the snow lady head. Now you could hang her on a door, you could put her, you know, like be a little shelf leaner, that kind of thing. I think she's adorable. Got Posca pins, Posca paint pins. Well, we're gonna make her face and we're gonna give her a little scarf down here at the bottom as well. Mighty cute, I have to say. Is she not? Isn't she adorable? All right, I'm gonna just cut this end off because it's bent and we don't like that, and wrinkled, and it's fraying, so we don't like that. We're gonna take the end with a little bit of heat here, and we're just gonna go over it one. How cute. Let's do this. I think just gonna go right across the bottom. Yeah, she's cute with. All right, and we're gonna put a little bit of pearl right across here. Like that. She's all glammed up. I think she needs one last thing. I'm not gonna make a real big bow. I'm just gonna thinking about making a little something, something. Look how pretty that ribbon is. Isn't it pretty? It's wired and cute. Listen, thank you so much.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.